let's talk about how to schedule a Facebook live stream on the new interface here in 2020. Now more than ever, live streaming is an integral part of running business, especially here as everyone is stuck at home and staying home to keep down the spread of this pandemic. More and more businesses need to be turning to live stream to connect with their audience, but then even after we go back to work, we're able to go back and kind of be out in the world and move around normally. More people are going to be used to live streaming, are going to have kind of adopted it, that it's going to be a very useful business tool. So I want to show you how you can schedule a live stream here on Facebook with their brand new interface for 2020. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down here to create post, and you're going to see we have the live video. We're going to tap that. And once we're here, you can see on this interface, we're actually right now on the Go Live Now area. You're going to see all the information here. This is set up to use a stream key. It's normally what I use. Normally I use a third-party system. You can also use just kind of your main camera. Just go through and select the camera, the media sources, and you'll be able to use that, or you can use a paired encoder. But let's go to schedule a live. And you're going to notice right away when you're scheduling a live, you actually need to use a stream key. You need to use a third-party system in order to be able to schedule that live. So that's something like vMix or Ecamm or even Wirecast. Those are really the three I would recommend for people. I don't recommend really any of the others. There's a couple others out there that are suitable, but those would be the three that I would lean towards. If you're doing some basic stuff on a Mac, go with Ecamm Live. Awesome service. You're able to do some very basic camera switches, some lower thirds, other really cool features, or you can jump into like vMix if you're on a PC. That's the high end. That's what I definitely recommend if you're able to do that. Or if you want to get a little fancier than Ecamm, you can go with Wirecast. But now let's dive in and kind of look at this. So really what's going to happen here is this is the page that you're going to be going live on. This is your stream key. You're going to need to know that. And you can set it up to be used persistent key or whatever. Announcement post. This is going to show you the time that you're going to go live. So over here, you're just going to click this and you're going to go through and you can schedule your live post up to 7 days ahead of time. So you can only schedule your stream 7 days ahead of time. So you can't schedule it out 8 days or anything beyond 7 days, even down to the minute. So you'll see if I have April 14th, if I try to go to one, I can't go anywhere, but if I try to go the 21st and I try to go instead of 9/14, I want to do, let's say 10 a.m., it's going to lock that out. You can't actually do that. So it has to be 7 days or sooner. But that still gives you plenty of time to promote anything. You can schedule it out and still promote to your emails. But once you do that, you're going to be able to go, you can add your video title, test video, awesome test stream. You can also cross-post to more pages, or you can share to groups. And then audience settings is right here. This is going to allow you to be public, selected locations, or restricted. I'm actually, because, and so it says plus 15, plus 18, plus 21, plus 25. You can kind of see minimum age there. So that's just for the ages. So from here, you can also add an image to your live stream. So if you have a specific image you want to show, kind of promoting that, you can do that. Otherwise, it'll just pull down your cover image is what it does right now. And use that as the main image for the announcement post. As you can see here, this just has pulled down the cover image. This is exactly what your post is going to look like. Awesome test stream. And then and people can click this, get the reminder that we'll be live the 21st at 10 a.m. It's showing 10 a.m. there, even though as of right now, we're not going to be able to schedule that. So let's just so we can kind of show you, I'm going to jump this back to 9 a.m. where I am able to do that. And this is going to be the live tab. And then once you kind of do this, after it's scheduled, you'll have another URL right here that you can grab and use to promote. This is the one I recommend that you promote because sometimes you might be wanting to create lots of live videos, or if you just always want to send them to the live tab where they could potentially see any of your live videos, or whatever the newest live video is, that's the URL you're going to use this for. This is the actual permanent URL for the video that will be created once you schedule. And as you can see, you can preview the stream 20 minutes before it starts, and it'll begin automatically at the scheduled time, and you must go live within 10 minutes after it, otherwise it takes it down after your scheduled time. So if I'm scheduled at 9 a.m., I need to start by 9:10, otherwise the post automatically gets deleted. You can actually manually take this live before your scheduled start time if you want to do that. That's often what I do when we have any sort of pre-show kind of thing. So say we have like a 5-minute pre-show countdown timer, I will usually I'll schedule it for 8 a.m. if that's the time we're supposed to go live, and I will manually start it 5 minutes early with the countdown timer. Plus that helps make sure that everything's ready to go and I'm not scrambling around 5 minutes before or anything like that. So yeah, and these are just a few of the other settings. I'll just quickly run through that. End live video, if the stream stops, you can keep that on or off. Allow embedding, unpublish videos after it's live, and go live for longer than 8 hours. The thing to realize this is that if you go live longer than 8 hours, it will be deleted once your stream ends. And that's really it. That is the brand new interface and how you schedule a live post. Scheduling live posts can be very beneficial because it allows you to do a lot of promotion around that live stream, which is going to help you reach more people and get more people on. And if you have more people on your live video right away, then Facebook is naturally going to kind of send it out to more and more people as things go. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like the video. Leave a comment with any questions you have around scheduling Facebook live streams or any other live streaming question you might have, and be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.